Yeah. You don't have your glasses on.
No, I don't.
You know what I do? I get some of these.
You make your own.
And I season it. And it's way cheaper.
So if you buy two, that's $8 for 3.
And if you buy 2, it's what? $3.
Yeah, I don't. He asked for this.
Oh, you're not the one cooking it, so I guess.
I don't even know what he's making. Should I try Trader Joe's brand?
That's not Trader Joe's.
I'm the Harris Trader.
Harris Teeter Traders. Harris Teeter Traders. Traders.
Right. Okay, I think, is this a deal? $6.49, that means $3.29 each in this 2-pack. I just want one, and I want to walk out of here for $3.50.
You gotta get 2.
I don't have to.
Yes, you do.
Who says? No.
It's 2 for $7.
No, tell me, when you go up there, it's going to be like...
It's gonna be like what?
I don't care what you say about it.
I'm just asking.
I'm going to bring one up.
Okay. That's what you always say. That's what you always say until your sugar's low. Then I'm the boss of you. Go ahead, put your number in. Go ahead. Let's see the price drop. Nothing. No change. Oh wait, no, pay now. You gotta pay now. She told me. Did you scan the one you wanted?
Yeah.
Oh.
I get the regular
She
told me. What is that? A vlog?
Traditional marinara. Oh yeah, you can't go wrong with marinara. Right. That's good. Alright, so what I'm gonna do, I'll explain to y'all what the hell today was like, because today was rough on your girl, okay? I had to wake up at 5 a.m. so I can take Royce to his appointment, and we had to be there by 7:30. And I don't like to rush, especially in the mornings. I like to wake up and take my time, do what I have to do, and go on about my day, right? So I left him sleeping. I got ready, did what I had to do, packed his stuff, because as soon as we were done with that appointment, your boy was going back to school, okay? He was going to school. He wasn't coming home with me. We're pass and go straight to school, okay? So that's what we did. So I've been up since 5 a.m. After that, I was home for 2 seconds so I can eat something. Then I had to go to my own appointment. And then after that appointment, I went to Ann Lloyd, as you saw. I went to go get pho with my godmother. And we did a quick grocery store run for her. And then after that, I went home. And when I tell you, my whole body shut down when I got home in that bed. I laid down and I was like, I'm not gonna be able to get up from here anytime soon. So I called Royce's dad, let him know, hey, Papi, you gonna have to go pick up Royce because your girl, I'm out for the count. Mind you, I didn't sleep. I don't nap. Napping is hard for me. Even when my body was like on the verge of shutdown, I couldn't even take a nap, which was so frustrating. But I at least closed my eyes for at least 40 minutes and rested my body. And then, yeah, now I'm here. I just picked up my drive up order from Target. Just got a few things that I need. And right now I'm about to go pick up some fries from Taco Bell because they have this. I like Taco Bell's fries, and then they had this promotion where you pay $10 and you can get a free regular size fries every day for the whole month. Mind you, we are already a week into the month and I still haven't redeemed any of them, so I'm gonna make it a point to get it every single day. Especially since I live right across the street from one, so that's really the only reason why I did it, because it's convenient. And yeah, I at least have to get my $10 worth back, and that's like what, 4 visits if that, because Taco Bell be expensive for no damn reason. But anyways, completed, over and out. See y'all tomorrow. Bye.